Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a high-resolution original. This preserves detail for edits. Once signed into Google AI Studio, create a new project and pick the image editor tool. Upload your photo and set export preferences to sRGB to avoid color shifts. Make sure the file size fits limits. If not, export a lossless compressed version. Now that the image is loaded, place the primary subject in view and lock the background layer, so your first edits won't accidentally alter the original. Next, you perform targeted edits using masks and non-destructive layers. This lets you tweak without losing the original. Start with a mask on the subject, then adjust exposure, contrast, and highlights until skin tones and texture look natural. Use the in-painting tool to remove distractions, then refine edges by feathering the mask between 0 and 20 pixels for smooth transitions. Make sure to toggle between before and after to judge progress. And if color shifts appear, add a selective color layer to correct them precisely. To finish, review the full image at 100% zoom and address any halos or banding by smoothing masks or reducing local contrast. Once satisfied, decide whether to flatten layers or save a layered project for future edits. Export using PNG if you need transparency or JPEG at 85 to 95% for a good size-to-quality trade-off. If you see artifacts or strange color banding, reopen the original project, reduce heavy edits, or re-edit at 1/2 scale, then upscale for a cleaner result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.